Blessed morning to each and every one. You don't know the things that are already occurring. You know? Jaja no star. Jah no. This preacher, him have a particular convention where he has to go. And the task him have to go to the convention, still, him have a distance to travel to the convention. You oversee. I'm a traveler and I got the convention, you know. And it's like, when I'm a traveler, I got the convention, it's like, him say, it's like the spirit of God that lead him to go somewhere else. Because all the time I hear say, God lead people and God talk to people. You know. I also hear that, you know, but you have to tell me, you better lead him at time. You know. So it's like him, so him follow where the spirit has still and it lead him over one old garage, or abandoned garage. And when him go over the garage, him said the message where him did have to preach at the convention. And the message them preach in the garage. But when him preach the message, you know, him not see nobody. Him say nobody look all around and tell me to nobody. Just trees and bushes and old car and old van, all that abandoned place. The message when he have to preach, him saying preach it. Right round, all over. Him saying utter it out. You oversee. Him say when him done, him say him did it for a while where it's like the time, the time pass for him reach at the convention. So him decide say, you know what, I saw it go still him late, him done late already, now but again. So him turn back and go back home. The preacher man say 1 year after that, the same convention come up again. And him decide say him going to go at the convention. But this time him reach at the convention and preach. And when him preach at the convention, him say, a look at youth walk up to him. And I say, walk on prophet. And I say, walk on young man. He say, prophet. No, you don't know me, you know. But you see, 1 year ago, them time, you know, some people diss me, you know. And him said, the only thing on his mind, you know, is to go take up him gun, you know, and kill anything where him see in the yard, they wouldn't go in the yard. I'm say when him go rise up him tool, him hear a voice, a preach. Him hear a voice, a preach. You know, all in a old garage when him go fin rise. And him say bend down and look. Him say prophet, are you me see? I preach, you know. And the prophet man fight, look at the prophet man, I said, prophet man, remember the day that when you're supposed to go to the convention, I'm saying go to the convention and late me, I tell you, you know, and go over the old garage, you know. And the message we have, you know, is like a him, the youth, the message they find. And the youth said, prophet, when I hear you, you know, it changed me, you know. That's him saying, so boom. I got dash him told him. And from that day, him take a 360-degree turn. That's the youth say find himself now. I go to church. John! You see, enough of the time, you know. we say to ourselves, say, when we hear some things in our mind, maybe are not true, maybe not go so. But who to tell who don't know say God will lead you away then?
Doesn't like me, I'm very religious.
Who you don't know? Say that very small moment there where you're supposed to make that U-turn there, God will lead you away. Who say God not talk to people? Who say God not lead you, direct you, guide you, protect you, govern over you? Because I always hear this, you know. If the man will build Benz and the Benz broke down, or you gonna go to the man will build Honda to fix it. You must have to go back to the man will build the Benz to fix it. So if we in life want direction and guidance, we have to go to the person who create we. If we to ourselves I go believe in a somebody with a show with the right pathway or with a move or for act, we have to go to the creator. Look into it. Jaja no. Look into it. If the man will create Benz or BMW vehicle, or we gonna go to the man who not created it to fix it? We have to go to the man who know about it. So or we gonna go to something else to guide me and protect me and lead with the right pathway. We have to go back to the creator. I mean the creator guide me and protect me and lead me and listen to him and anything where him said. Because sometimes you're not going to do it. Some people don't really literally hear the word, you know. But sometimes the feeling right there inside of you, tell yourself, so, yo, come, make a move.
I said, I'm happy I got a move. But I'm running to work. I love you.